Are you looking for the best open source NAS operating system of 2026? In this video, we will compare two highly developed systems that have absolutely different storage management solutions, Rockstor and TrueNAS. So, let's discuss each of them. First, we have Rockstor. Rockstor is a storage operating system based on Linux and BTRFs. The primary objective of this system is providing simple installation, configuration, and extensibility. The system runs under OpenSUSE Linux distribution and is focused on easy use for home users and enthusiasts. It provides simple configuration and installation, elegant interface, and works on different architecture types. The main advantage of this OS is Racons, which is pre-configured Docker containers that allow adding media streaming, backup and synchronization, and other services simply. This OS uses BTRFs for storage management and provides snapshotting, compression, and data integrity checking. On the other hand, we have TrueNAS. TrueNAS is an all-in-one data platform that take advantage of the legendary ZFS file system to deliver unified storage such as file, block, object, and apps required by virtualization, backup, and a myriad of other data-intensive use cases. TrueNAS is an open-source product that comes with two main editors. Core, which is a legacy edition based on FreeBSD and has been moved to maintenance only mode, and Scale, which is the latest edition based on Debian Linux that provides solid Docker, container, and VM support. TrueNAS is highly enterprise grade and boasts with such features as ZFS RAID, real-time data compression, encryption, snapshot, self-healing storage, and clustering. TrueNAS is designed for power users and enterprise purposes with top-level reliability through ZFS and other features and scalability. However, it has an additional learning curve and is very difficult for most average users. So, which one is better? In case you're looking for a powerful and easy-to-use home NAS, you should choose Rockstor. It is a simple and straightforward Linux solution that allows for using Racons, BTRFs, and an easy-to-use dashboard. However, the product does not have enterprise functionality and it is not so scalable as TrueNAS, and BTRFs is a younger solution compared to CFS. If you're interested in a powerful product, you should pay your attention to TrueNAS. This software provides high stability, advanced ZFS features, data protection, data encryption, virtualization capabilities, and clustering. Thus, this product is ideal for large amounts of data, virtualization, backups, and production. However, TrueNAS is a learning curve, needs more hardware, especially 16 plus gigabyte RAM for ZFS. For those that value simplicity, ease with Linux, and compatibility with Docker containers in the form of Rock-Ons, go with Rockstor as your NAS of choice. For those that value enterprise level stability, support for ZFS, and more advanced functionality, go with TrueNAS. Try both and find out which one works better for you. Let us know your favorite in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.